Look at this Crassula springtime with this gorgeous bouquet of star-like flowers. This plant has pale pink flowers but with red at the center, giving it an overall bright pink color. The scented flowers attract bees and butterflies. This is Crassula capitella campfire, with its long stalk of white flowers. Its flowers are not as gorgeous compared to Crassula springtime, but the plant's colorful and eye-catching succulent leaves can brighten up your garden. When this plant produces flowers, it loses its compactness and elongates with it. If you leave the flowers untrimmed, it will last for several weeks and then the flowers will turn brown, but there's not much activity in the plant. But if you trim the flowers after they bloom, you'll encourage new growths like this one. The same with this Crassula perforata variegata or string of buttons. It does not have very attractive flowers as well, and it is best to trim them after blooming to encourage more growth. Succulents are flowering plants, but not all of them will flower each year. Some would take several years to flower, but when they bloom, the mother plant either die or lose its vitality. Succulent plants, when colorful, look like flowers, and they are a great addition to any garden. Whatever is blooming in your garden, be it succulent plants or non-succulent plants, take time to appreciate their beauty. We are often consumed by the noise and chaos around us that we often forget to stop and appreciate the beauty that is right in front of us. So, when you see your plant blooming, take a moment to appreciate it.